Very good afternoon to all of you. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, very good afternoon. So today I have already given you the topic that how listening skill is helpful. And each of you will get 2 minutes time to present your views. And most important thing is that I have already explained that how it plays an important role in one of the class, that how listening skill plays an important role in our life as well as communication skills. So before starting, can anyone say me what is the role of listening skill in communication skill? What is the role of listening skill in communication skill? And I have already shared the QR code with you people. Please mark your attendance and please be honest. I'm saying don't mark your attendance, those who are not present in the class, and please, your friends also, please don't mark their attendance. Because you people are now enough grown up, so please be honest to yourself.
In progress.
Okay. So Balram, after a long time I am seeing you. So how are your network issues and how are you? Please unmute yourself, Balram. Can I talk with you? Hello, Balram, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So how are you, Balram?
Here go, ma'am. I am fine.
You are fine. Okay, very good. So can anyone say me how listening is important in our life? Any one of you, your own views, your own words.
Ma'am,
You.
it helps us to understand the point of view of the speaker.
Very good. Another important, one by one.
Help us to gain concentration.
Very good. And can listening, see, now I am speaking and you people are listening. Yes or no? I am speaking and you people are listening to me.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it generally helps us to improve our communication.
So we can say that listening skill is the most frequently used communication skill.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? We can say no, that listening skill
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
most frequently used communication skill.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? And how you can say, if you are good in communication skill and if you are not good in listening skill, then what will happen?
Ma'am, the message can be easily misunderstood.
Yeah, the message will be not be understood and it will create any another
Misunderstood. Yes, ma'am.
misunderstanding. It will create a misunderstanding atmosphere. है ना? So we can say that listening is our primary means of communication activity, or you can say that listening is our primary communication activity.
Yes,
Sometimes
ma'am.
help us to build confidence.
Very good. Who said this one? Who said this one?
I'm with Vijay Kumar, sir.
Mrityunjay, please repeat the sentence. Very good.
And sometimes it help us to build confidence.
Very good. If we are good in listening skill, if we understood that what someone is saying, then we can answer the question or answer them in a confident manner. So Mrityunjay, I will start with you. Please present your views on this topic. First.
Ma'am, first is to help us to build confidence.
Start with the topic. Say the
Um,
topic after that.
Ma'am, today's topic is how listening skill is helpful.
Yeah.
In my point of view, there are only 6 I have written. First is to build confidence for better understanding.
Very good.
And help us to teach and how to speak.
Very good.
It also help us to memorize,
Yeah,
help to gain concentration.
very good.
Sometimes listening help us to recognize at certain point when we are
Yeah,
forgetting something.
yeah,
And at last is self-awareness.
very good. Very good, Mrityunjay, your points are. Can anyone tell me what are the barriers? See, everything has a positive as well as negative impact. So, listening, speaking, someone is having some kind of barriers in speaking. So, like that, we people are having some kind of barriers in listening also. So, can you say what are the barriers in listening skill? What are the barriers?
Ma'am, less
Ma'am,
attentive.
noise.
Yeah.
Physical
Less
abil-
attentive.
No, first one. First, most important thing is our psychological barrier.
and then
Some
physical
people
ability.
some people have listening problems. है ना? Some people have listening problems. They have hearing problems. Is it? Yes or no? So
Yes,
this thing come under psychological barrier. Okay. So in psychological barriers, what factors are there? Hearing deficiencies. That person is having difficulties in hearing. Now, environmental barriers. What are those environmental barriers? Physical distraction. Yeah. Physical distraction. Physical distraction. Next. Third one is our cultural barrier. What is this cultural barrier?
Ma'am, accent.
Yeah. Accent. What do you mean by this accent? Can anyone? Noise. The noise created. Sometimes what we are hearing, if some extra noise comes, then we will not be able to hear those things properly. Okay. So we have come to know about these barriers in listening. These are psychological barriers, environmental barriers, and cultural barriers. Next, I will come to Shudhanshu Ranjan. I'm just noting down the name who was saying right now. Mrityunjay and Shudhanshu, yeah. Yeah, Shudhanshu, please.
Yes, ma'am. Listening means to pay attention towards the voice.
Please
As
tell the
ma'am,
topic
words
first.
can.
Please tell the topic after you start your views.
Ma'am, today's topic is how listening skills helps us.
Hmm.
That listening means to pay attention towards the voice as well as the way what somebody has talking and how it express the words and a way.
Hmm.
That listening skills helps us to understand the message more reliable and helpful way. Then we can find exact solution for that problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Next, Amrita Kumari. Amrita Kumari. Those who are not responding, I will not mark their attendance. Only present in the class and not participation. It's not okay. Amrita, I will not mark your attendance if you will not unmute yourself. Om Prakash. Om Prakash. Yeah, Om. Speak.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Om Prakash. Please tell the topic fast. I can't wait for you so long.
Ma'am, topic
Topic already I have given yesterday. 5 minutes time only given to you. Prepare and speak to me. Sachin sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah, Sachin. Speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, today's topic is how listening skill is helpful. So, ma'am, according to me, listening skill is helpful for building relationship, and it is helpful for improving accuracy in any work. I mean, if you listen it properly, then we'll make it good, and it will help us for resolving conflict, and it also help us for to make friendship between a person,
And
and it is also helpful to make confidence in front of anyone.
front of anyone, how
Um,
listening skill will make you confident? Please explain this sentence to me.
Ma'am, if I listen properly, then if any question is asked by someone, then I will be able to give the answer properly, so it will make confidence on me.
It will make
And
confidence or it will build confidence?
yes, ma'am, build confidence. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, Sachin. Next,
Thank you, ma'am.
Divyanshu Mandal. Divyanshu
Yes, ma'am.
Mandal. Yeah, Divyanshu, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Today's top listening skill is very important. Is a key role. Is actually it is a key role in our life,
Hmm.
and an effective listening skill is that underpins all the positive human relationships.
Hmm.
Listening is the ability to accurately receive and interpret messages in communication processes. The good listening skill also shows benefits in our personal life as well as in our work life. In work, many we can many successful leaders and entrepreneurs credit their success to effective listening skills. Listening is so important that many top employers provide listening skill training for their employees. This is not surprising when you
Very
consider
good,
good listening
Divyanshu.
skill
Very good.
better information sharing.
Very good.
The purpose of listening serves a number of possible purposes, and the purpose of listening will being depend on the situation and the nature of communication.
Okay.
There are okay.
Okay. Next, I will come to. So, I think listening is this clear. So, Om Prakash, can you present your views? Are you ready, Om Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead.
Ma'am, today's topic is how to how listening is skill is helpful. Ma'am, it help build relationship and solve problems, ensure understanding, and it also improve accuracy in work and
Please be fluent. Please be fluent. Speak in a very fluent manner. Be clear to your points. I have already given you the topic yesterday, and only 2 minutes you have to say. Please be fluent. I think Zubin is present here. Zubin, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Zubin, go ahead.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today's topic is what are the importance of listening. Listening should not be taken for granted. Before the invention of writing, people conveyed virtually all knowledge through some combinations of showing and telling. Elders recited tribal histories to alternative audiences. Listeners received religious teachings incessantly, myths, legends, folktales, and stories for entertaining survival only because audience were engaged to listening. Nowadays, however, we can gain information and entertainment through reading and electronic recordings rather than through real-time listening. If we become distracted and let our attention wander, we can go back and replay a recording. Despite the fact, we can still gain least 4 competition benefits for becoming more active and competent at a real-time listening. Hearing is a physiological process of attending to sound within one environment. Listening, however, is a focused concentration approach to understanding the message of a source. Learning, however, to be an effective learner has numerous advantages. First, effective listening can help us to become a better student. Second, effective learning can help us to become more effective in personating relationship. Third, effective listening can lead others to perceive us as more intelligent. Lastly, effective listening can help us become a strong public speaker. Thank you.
Very good. Excellent, Zubin. Excellent. See how he has speak. Like this, you all people have to say. 2 minutes is enough time to present your views. Okay. Next, I will come to Priyaranjan Kaushal. Excellent, Zubin. Excellent, you are. Priyaranjan Kaushal.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Today I am starting my topic.
Yeah.
Language skill have. There are 4 language skill: listening skill, speaking skill, writing skill. Or now I am starting
What are
with
the 4
listening skill.
skills?
Listening skill
Please
is
repeat
the
the 4
first.
skills. Please repeat the 4 skills.
Listening, speaking, reading, writing.
Very good. What we say in short? LS?
Listening skill.
LS are the
Listening skill is the first step of language skill and an audio sense. A process of listening, understanding the ideas, feeling, thoughts of other is called listening skill. The important to understand the meaning of knowledge and language. It is also important to understand the concept and idea and feeling. It is the main skill to develop other language skill. Thank you, ma'am.
okay. Concluded. Okay, good. Next, I will say Ashish Soren. Ashish Soren.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead, Ashish.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Today, our topic is how listening skill is helpful.
Hmm.
Listening skill can build a good relationship.
Listening skill can.
Listening skill can build a good relationship.
Listening skill can.
Yes, ma'am. Listening skill can build a good relationship with our customer. So
can we say like this? You can. Why you're using this can like this? Listening skills builds up. So simple say the sentence. You are not now the KG students. After some years, you are going to face the interviews. The things which can be said in a simple manner, why you are making it typical? Listening skill builds up. That's enough.
Okay.
Speak again from the beginning.
Listening skill builds up our good relationship with our customer. It helps to solve the problem, so that we can understood their
we could understood. Have you prepared? Send me the truth.
No, ma'am.
Please prepare. No, after 3 minutes, I will ask you. That's why you are entering the class and exiting the class. The person who are doing the same thing, I have remembered their names. Okay, who are entering and exiting the class. Raman Pradhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, today's topic is how listening skills helps us in our life. Ma'am, according to my point of view, listening is a very important skill that a person needs. And obviously, listening is a key to all effective communication. Effective listening also produces better understanding, and listening means paying attention not only to the story but how it is told by any person.
Very good.
Without the proper listening, the message can easily
Without the not, without
misunderstood.
proper listening.
Yes, without proper listening, the message can be easily misunderstood while communicating each other. And at work, effective listening means there is less errors and less wastage of time. That's all.
Very good, Raman. Very good. Now next, Amrita Kumari. This is the third time when I am repeating your name, Amrita Kumari. See, exist. See, also exist the class. Okay, Akash, go. Akash, go.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Akash.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Akash, go ahead.
Ma'am, repeat the question, please.
Question is with you only. Yesterday only question was given. That means you have not prepared.
Yes. Sorry, ma'am. I don't.
Please prepare. Right now you just prepare. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 5
After
minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, 5
Okay.
minutes. Next, Shobha. Shobha.
Yes, ma'am. I am audible, ma'am.
Yeah, you are not. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
Ma'am, today's topic is how listening skills helpful. According to me, it helps to build a relationship, solve problems, ensures understanding, and resolves conflicts. On the basis of work, if the listening skills is effective, then there might be a few errors and less wasted of time. And at homes, if listening skill is better, it helps to develop a resourceful, self-reliant kids who can solve their own problems, and it helps to build friendship and career. And some points to keep in mind to improve our listening skills. That is, face the speaker and maintain the eye contact, keep an open mind, be attentive but relaxed, listen to the words and try to
I don't know what happened to Shobha. Okay, I don't know. Next, Om Prakash. Om Prakash Mahato.
Yes, ma'am.
You have told na?
Yes, ma'am. ठीक से
Yeah.
हम तैयारी कर रहे थे.
Yeah. Shubhajit Bhui.
Yes, ma'am.
Go. Start with the topic.
Sorry, ma'am. What is the topic?
It was given in the link only. Right now you prepare as you have entered the class late also. Just prepare. Within 5 minutes you have to speak.
I can tell now, ma'am.
Yeah?
I've seen the topic, ma'am. How listening skills are useful.
Yeah, prepare it. 5 minutes. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhaskar. Bhaskar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Bhaskar, speak.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Shobha, it's over. Your turn. Bhaskar, please speak fast.
मैम मेरा हुआ सुनाई दिया.
Yeah. Please talk in English.
Ma'am,
Please talk in English.
Ma'am, there is so much of network problem, ma'am.
I understood, Shobha. I understood.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Shobha. Bhaskar, please fast. If you will not say, then say I will not speak.
I am currently preparing.
Very good. You haven't got time. Next, Devanand. Devanand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fast.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hmm.
Today's topic is how skill is helpful. Listening is a more conscious effort to interpret the sounds requiring concentration of mind. Listening is voluntary. It takes intention and attention towards the speaker, and active mental process attempts to make meaning of what we hear. Listening is when it fits your brain. The, the most crucial of communication to men that most crucial of the skill among the four men skill is the listening skill, man.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Devanand. Next, I am coming to Balaram. Balram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fast.
Ma'am, listening skill, good listening skill, more work hours and more productivity, better understand assignment without experience.
How?
Or listening skill.
How?
Listening skill.
If I say how, my question will be how. Please answer. Please speak in your words. Okay, Balram? Don't copy paste and don't see and listen. Means don't see in the Google and don't speak. You
Yes,
can't say
ma'am.
for 2 minutes. For by your own words, you people can't say 2 minutes. How in everyday life listening skill is playing important role?
Yes, ma'am.
First,
Ma'am, listening skill, reading a skill,
I am
writing
not
a
asking
skill.
reading skill. My topic is only listening skill. What do you understand by listening skill? Now I am speaking what you are understanding. What role it plays? It plays in coaching, teaching, mentoring, in interviewing, in consultancy, simple things. How good role plays for listening skill? Making decisions. These are the simple things you can speak from your own views. Next time, Balaram, I want to prepare. Next time, I want to listen first from you. Nehal Alam. Mohammed Nehal Alam. Speak your
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Present your views fast.
Ma'am, today's topic is how to listen. How
listening?
How listening skill is helpful. And ma'am, 1 minute.
Joining late in the class and after that also 1 minute you need.
No, ma'am. My network is, ma'am. My network is very poor. Then I am disconnected. Ma'am, a speaker can successfully speak only when a listener listens carefully. Listening skill add value to the communication because if the
listener cannot listen properly, then the next phase of communication cannot be generated. So one person should follow a proper dedication to listen to others. People can follow some basic steps to build proper listening skill. In short, our
I don't want
focus
to
on
listen
the
this. I don't want to listen this copy paste things. I want to know about how listening skill plays an important role. What is the role of listening skill? Don't say me the copy pasted things from the Google.
no,
It is a Google language. Okay.
ma'am, listening can build a relationship and it also resolve the problem and improve accuracy.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
From the next time, please, you people prepare by your own words. Use your own words. You can take ideas from Google Chrome, whatever you think you like, but please speak in your own words. Ma'am is asking, just opening the phone, just looking what is, and just speaking. Please stop doing these things. You people are now enough grown up. Next, Subhajit Bhui.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, speak.
Ma'am, listening skills are helpful because it helps us to build relationship, solve problems, ensure understanding, and resolve conflicts. If we listen to a particular problem, then I think we can solve it more accurately, and we will know exactly how to solve the problems. In relationships and friendship, if we listen to the other person properly, then we can exactly know what conflict he's having with us, so we can maintain a good friendship and a relationship.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Next, Tanay Bhaskar. Tanay Bhaskar. Yeah, Tanay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Fast.
As Subhoy tells that if we listen any problem that
Please start with the
then
topic. Start with the topic.
yes, ma'am.
Please switch on the video, Tanay.
Video.
Yeah, switch on your video.
Wait, ma'am. Correct, minute.
Okay. You switch on your videos. Before, after that, I'm coming to this. Ashish Munda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Speak.
Today's topic is listening. How listening skill is helpful.
Yeah.
According to my point of view, listening is important as important as speaking is. Being a good listener help to understand what the speaker is saying easily, and
Not prepared. Is it? Is it?
yes, ma'am. Yes, little bit.
Very good. Present in the class for attendance. No need for preparation when it is already being given 1 day earlier. 2 minutes you can't people speak. 2 minutes. See what is the condition of your communication skill. See how you people, what you will face the interviews, how you will face. When already the topic is being given, you people are unable to speak. People don't have 5 to 10 minutes to prepare. This is the condition of you people. Judge yourself. I am not here to judge you. You judge yourself. How poor you people are in communication skill. What I will say to you people. Always the Google and always this Chrome will not help you. Next, Prerna Kumari.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, Prerna.
Is how listening skill is helpful. Listening skill is the ability to accurate, receive, and interpret message in the communication process. Listening is the key to all effective communication. Without the ability to listen effectively, messages are easily understood. In fact, listening is just important as speaking. Being a
Very
good
good.
listener help solve problems, resolve conflicts, and improve relationships. In the workplace, effective listening contributes to fewer errors, less wasted time, and improved accuracy. Effective listening skill helps to build relationships and careers. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. So, this will be continued next week also. This topic will be same for the next week also. Okay. Next, Ashish Poddar.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Ashish.
Yes, ma'am. Today's topic is how a good listening skill helps us. Ma'am, it is said that if you want to be a good speaker, you should be also a good listener.
Very
Ma'am, in a conversation, if no one is a good listener, then the whole conversation will be ruined. Ma'am, a good listening skill help us to resolve the conflicts. It helps us to solve the problem of a person. Ma'am,
and
we can guide a person in a better way. Or ma'am, we will make new friends by effective communication and good listening skills.
Very good. Amrita Kumari. Amrita Kumari. Okay. Next, Gomia Hessa. Gomia Hessa. Shashi Bhushan Kumar. Shashi Bhushan Kumar. Aniket Singh. Dharmendra Kumar Yadav. Rashmi Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please
Yes, ma'am.
speak.
Good
Rupesh Kumar
afternoon,
Oza.
ma'am.
1 minute. Rupesh Kumar Oza. Okay, Rashmi, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Today my topic is how communication skill is helpful. According to me, communication skill is the most basic, powerful way to connect the other. It also helps to accurately receive and understand the message. It helps us to build up confidence. It also helps to improving accuracy in works. It helps us to build up relation with friends